कपड़े सुखा दो.
Put the clothes to dry.
आलू छील दो.
Peel off the potatoes.
ढक्कन खोल दो.
Open the lid.
नल खोल दो.
Turn on the tap.
नल बंद कर दो.
Turn off the tap.
चादर बिछा दो.
Spread the bed sheet.
बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो.
Spread the sheet on the bed.
दीवार पर सहारा मत लो.
Do not lean against the wall.
मुझ पर सहारा मत लो.
Do not lean against me.
मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर मत रखो.
Do not lean your head on my shoulder.
दिमाग से काम लो.
Use your brain.
धीमे बोलो.
Speak softly.
धीरे बोलो.
Speak slowly.
तेज बोलो.
Speak quickly.
ऊंचा बोलो.
Speak aloud.
खाना लगा दो.
Serve the food.
दबे पांव चलो.
Walk on the tiptoe.
वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा.
He tiptoed into the room.
मुझ पर एहसान मत करो.
Don't favor me.
बहाने मत बनाओ.
Don't make excuses.
समय की नजाकत को समझो.
Understand the delicacy of time.
अपने बाल बना लो.
Comb your hair.
समझने की कोशिश करो.
Try to understand.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ.
Don't make me angry.
उसे समय लेने दो.
Let him take time.
इशारा मत करो.
Do not gesture.
बक बक मत करो.
Don't prattle.
बकवास मत करो.
Don't talk nonsense.
जिद मत करो.
Don't be stubborn.
मुझसे पंगे मत लो.
Don't mess with me.
धूप सेंक लो.
Bask in the sun.
रोटियां बेल लो.
Roll the
चपातीस. रोटी कैसे बनाएं?
How to roll chapati.
आटा गूंथ लो.
Knead the flour.
रोटियां सेंक लो.
Bake the chapatis.
जूते पहन लो.
Put on the shoes.
उसे विदा कर दो.
See him off.
उसे गाली मत दो.
Don't abuse him.
अंधेरा हो रहा है.
It's getting dark.
अंधेरा हो गया है.
It's got dark.
मुझे नहाने दो.
Let me take a bath.
जाकर सो जाओ.
Go and sleep.
मुझे ठंड लग रही है.
I am feeling cold.
बारिश हो रही है.
It's raining.
मशीन चालू करो.
Switch on the machine.
मशीन चलाओ.
Operate the machine.
एसी बंद करो.
Switch off the AC.
एसी ऑन करो.
Switch on the AC.
इंडिया जीतेगी.
India will win.
सुबह हो गई.
It is morning.
मेरे साथ चलो.
Come with me.
उसे मत देखो.
Don't look at him.
उसे मत घूरो.
Don't stare at him.
नौकरी कर लो.
Start a job.
नौकरी ढूंढ लो.
Find a job.
ड्राइविंग सीख लो.
Learn driving.
तुम सीख जाओगे.
You will learn.
तुम में कला है.
You have the art.
तुम अंग्रेजी सीखोगे.
You will learn English.
तुम डरपोक हो.
You are coward.
नंगे पैर मत चलो.
Don't walk barefoot.
दोबारा कब मिलेंगे.
When will we meet again?
मैंने राम से ये सुना.
I heard it from Ram.
बहुत मजा आया.
Enjoyed a lot.
हमने वाकई में जिंदगी जी.
We really lived life.
चालाक मत बनो.
Don't be smart.
मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming from Delhi.
मैं देहरादून से आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming from
देहरादून. वे पार्क से आए.
They came from Park.
मैं कल से काम करूँगा.
I will work from tomorrow.
राम 10 बजे से काम करेगा.
Ram will work from 10 o'clock.
मम्मी 5 बजे से घर पर हैं.
Mom is at home since 5 o'clock.
मैंने ये किताब से लिखा.
I wrote it from the book.
हम उत्तराखंड से हैं.
We are from Uttarakhand.
मैं 10 से 5 बजे तक काम करता हूँ.
I work from 10 to 5.
वो दुकान से खरीद रहा है.
He is buying it from the shop.
मैंने मोबाइल को बिस्तर से उठाया.
I picked the mobile off the bed.
मैं स्क्रीन से धूल हटा रहा हूँ.
I am wiping the dust off the screen.
बंदर पेड़ से कूदा.
Monkey jumped off the tree.
टेबल से कप हटा दो.
Move the cup off the table.
पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं.
Leaves are falling off the tree.
वो बस से उतर रहा है.
He is getting off the bus.
मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying since morning.
वो सोमवार से कोशिश कर रहा है.
He has been trying since Monday.
राम 4 बजे से घूम रहा है.
Ram has been walking since 4.
वो कल से यहाँ है.
He has been here since yesterday.
नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है.
Neha has been weeping since noon.
मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying since then.
मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying for 2 hours.
वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है.
He has been trying for many days.
मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया.
I did it for you.
राम 2 घंटे से घूम रहा है।
Ram has been walking for 2 hours.
मैं देर से खेल रहा हूँ।
I've been playing for a long.
वो 10 मिनट से यहाँ थी।
She had been here for 10 minutes.
हिंदी में बोले गए वाक्यों को इंग्लिश में बोलिए। आलू छील दो। बिस्तर लगा दो। ढक्कन खोल दो। नल खोल दो। नल बंद कर दो। चादर बिछा दो। बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो। दीवार पर सहारा मत लो। मुझ पर सहारा मत लो। मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर मत रखो। दिमाग से काम लो। धीमे बोलो। धीरे बोलो। तेज बोलो। ऊंचा बोलो। खाना लगा दो। दबे पांव चलो। वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा। मुझ पर एहसान मत करो। बहाने मत बनाओ। समय की नजाकत को समझो। समझने की कोशिश करो। मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। उसे समय लेने दो। इशारा मत करो। बक बक मत करो। बकवास मत करो। जिद मत करो। मुझसे पंगे मत लो। धूप सेंक लो। रोटियां बेल लो। रोटी कैसे बनाएं? आटा गूंथ लो। रोटियां सेंक लो। जूते पहन लो। उसे विदा कर दो। उसे गाली मत दो। अंधेरा हो रहा है। अंधेरा हो गया है। मुझे नहाने दो। जाकर सो जाओ। मुझे ठंड लग रही है। बारिश हो रही है। मशीन चालू करो। मशीन चलाओ। एसी बंद करो। एसी ऑन करो। इंडिया जीतेगी।
We should know how to handle, not only how to handle the success, how to handle the failures. Particularly you are in the management environment, Wharton, I want the young people to understand how to manage the failure. Because any task you do, you have to come across problem. Problem should not become the captain of the individual or the project chief. The project chief should become the captain of the problems and defeat the problem and succeed. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. History has proven that those who dare to imagine the impossible are the ones who break all the human limitations. In every field of human endeavor, whether science, medicine, sports, arts or technology, the names of the people who imagined the impossible are engraved in our history. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world. You take C.V. Raman, you take Newton, you take Einstein, you take Chandrasekhar. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world. If you want to be discoverers, if you want to be innovators, I am going to give you what type of characteristic you must have. Invention and discoveries have emanated from creative minds that have been constantly working and imagining the outcome. The telephone, he was imagining the outcome in the mind. With imaging and constant effort, all the forces of the universe work for that inspired mind, thereby leading to invention discoveries.
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, great aim.
Great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
continuously
acquire knowledge.
Knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed. Okay, that's the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You have many accomplishments. You've written books. You've served as president. You're an aerospace engineer. You've been a professor. But you say the title you like best is the title of teacher. Why is that? You know, I had a teacher when I was a young boy, 10 years boy, wartime, the Second World War going on. At that time, I used to see in my class, 5th class teacher, science teacher, he entered the classroom and we used to see the radiation of knowledge from him. When he enters the classroom, my teacher, I see a radiation of purity of life. And the way he taught, my dream got shaped. What should be my way of life? He is the person, the teacher gave me the vision of my life when I was a young fellow. Now a teacher has got a fantastic opportunity to grow minds, to enrich the minds, and give the dreams to the young people, and nurture the dreams with them, and they will become a great human being. Sometime they will become better than you, but better than the teacher. So that opportunity you have. I will have great aim. I will continuously acquire knowledge. I will do hard work. I will persevere and succeed. Great lesson which no university taught me, no book taught me, but that one person, that institution taught me such a big lesson. How to manage success, most importantly the failure. How to live a good life, how to live a beautiful life without thinking which country you belong, without thinking which religion you belong, without thinking which language you belong, without thinking which caste you belong. To represent the indomitable spirit of a man. Wherever there is indomitable spirit of man, the man succeeds, the woman succeeds, the village succeeds, the state succeeds, the country succeeds, the world succeeds. The indomitable spirit. Sri Dhirubhai Ambani has a mission and a great entrepreneur who had seen successes. For success, any mission, what we need is indomitable spirit. Let us study the characteristics of an indomitable spirit. It has two components. Indomitable spirit has got two components. The first component is that there must be a vision leading to higher goals of achievement. I would like to recall a couplet, the Tirukkural, by the poet Saint Thiruvalluvar, written in 2000 years ago. It means that whatever may be the depth of the river or lake or pond, whatever they may be the conditions of the water, the lily flower always comes out of and blossoms. Similarly, if there is a definite determination to achieve a goal, even if it is impossible to achieve, the man succeeds. This is one of the component of the indomitable spirit. The second one, that many of us have gone through large programs and projects. We would have experienced the success is not in sight and there are many hurdles. Hurdles created by man, hurdle created by the nature of the program, hurdle created by the technology, all this is possible in a major program like what wealth generation. It means that successful leaders can never be defeated by problems. They become the master of the situation and they defeat the problems. Now friends, the indomitable spirit is defined by these two conditions. I consider these two Tirukkurals characteristics characterize the indomitable spirit of Dhirubhai Ambani. Whenever he encountered problems, he gave the problems to the problems. He inhibited the indomitable spirit in successfully implementing the complex missions. Growth is life. I have repeated a number of times, I don't mind repeating that one incident. That incident for me is a university education. I have not read anywhere. I have so far, I have gone round the orbit 71 times around the sun. I have not gone through any education, such a beautiful education I got in 1979, 1980 period. I thought of sharing with you on this occasion. It is like this, 1979, August 17th, we were ready for launch of a satellite launch vehicle with 44 subsystems and thousands of components.
It was built in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, and at that time, Professor Satish Dhawan was the chairman, Atomic Energy Space Commission, and he is also Space Center. And he gave me the task in 1973 to build a satellite launch vehicle, to put a satellite in the orbit. 1973, he gave me this task. In 79, we were ready, thousands of engineers, 10,000 of workers and staff, they all worked together. Then we moved the satellite launch vehicle from Vikram Sarabhai Space Center to the now Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. So the launch vehicle was in the launch pad, and the day 17th August 1979, and I am the mission director.